I'm Tuğfe Göçmen. I'm a senior researcher here in DTU Wind. I have been in DTU Wind 13 years now. Came here for my PhD, stayed here for the rest of academia. And I'm the course lead for Data Essentials for Wind and Energy Systems. So Data Science Essentials for Wind and Energy Systems is our very first lifelong learning course as a department. We're very excited about that. It has a right level for the people coming from both wind energy domain, but also experts in data science that would like to upskill themselves in wind energy and renewable energy systems. So it is an interesting course for the wind energy professionals because a lot of people have been wondering how to get started with data science, but then when you try to take courses that are available online, they're typically a little bit too general. They're not specific for the problems they're facing in their day-to-day, and they have been coming to us asking for courses like this for some time. So it's really nice to find the opportunity to address that need. At the same time, for the data science experts, data science professionals who would like to go to a growing sector of wind energy, it's also a very nice starter course. You already have the tools, now you see what kind of problems we're using them for. So in this edition of the data science course, we're actually doing both asynchronous and synchronous versions, meaning that there's a self-paced modules that you can actually take at your own time. These are pre-recorded video lectures, quizzes, additional reading materials, and then we still keep the most exciting part of the course synchronous, meaning you will come to the class with your peers and we will go through the exercises together in breakout rooms. So in the first week, we start for the exercises with exploratory data analysis, with starting how to do time series analysis, all based on real data, all hands-on. Second week, we will go deeper into how we use machine learning for predictive maintenance, for doing normal behavior modeling, for surrogate models, etc. And in the third week, we'll go with the forecasting, as well as some very commonly used databases, APIs, as well as some discussions on licensing for wind energy software. In the first round, we had a little shy of 25 participants. The first round, we ran it 9 to 5, completely synchronously. We had a very nice mix of students, both coming from wind energy with many years of expertise, to newly beginners as well. And we also had a lot of people who are coming directly from the data science who has never taken a wind energy course before. So we found a nice little common ground between the two, both with our exercises and our lectures, and they also had the chance to talk with each other, to interact with each other, and get also experience in day-to-day. What do you do in your company? What do you do in your exercises? What do you do? How do you approach your work? And also in terms of their age, it was quite a big of a spread. We do call it lifelong learning for a reason. So this is a unique course because it is Data Science Essentials very much tailored for wind and energy systems problems. So we do bring in what we work with day to day in our department, one of the biggest wind energy departments in the world. And we're looking at a lot of sort of domains within wind energy where data science has been used quite extensively and matured compared to the rest of the field, for example, within wind energy domain. So we always bring our domain knowledge when we're using the tools, selecting the tools to use, and especially for the data processing techniques. What type of data we're using, how are those data collected, how are those data processed, and why we think it should be useful for you. It is based on our experience and our collaboration with industry in many, many projects over many years. Remember to sign up by June 11th. We also have limited seats this time around, but this time we also offer the exercises, the synchronous part of the course, in 2 different time zones. There is one time zone specific for the Americas, one for the Asian time zones, and the Europeans can find morning or afternoon sessions according to their preference. Per session, we will have 30 seats available max. So June 11, remember to sign up.